Nedwoko don't talk and say he don't tire. Oh. He says since when he married Regina Daniel, and so wahala upon wahala. Now in the see, say if things continue like this, it be like say everybody go share Gary. Hello, my wonderful kings and queens. You welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people. Nedwoko sef don't talk and say the wahala when in the experience when in the see since when he married Regina Daniel. Now won't talk to another from one story to another. Say e be like say the thing don't dey tire am because he no know say na so everything go come be last. Apart from say my correct people say we dey hear some news now when they fly up and down for social media for some days now. We dey hear say Regina Daniel say he like man and woman, that's both man and woman, and she dey tangle hair. The thing come be like say e shock some people. Not be everybody even believe the something, and not be everybody self even know whether something like that self say Regina Daniel self even dey involved in anything like that. But as we dey hear now, we hear say Nedwoko don't know all these things, and the things don't dey chop and well he don't cry secretly when e be say people no fit know wetin in dey pass through. Now the one when e be say na in dem post for social media now we dey see. Apart from that one, Nedwoko don't talk say he don't tire for the whole matter. Say if e be say na like this, now the thing go continue dey be. E be like say Regina Daniel go suffer pack a load, make e go meet him mama. Yes, he talk say he wives, the other wives when he married, they no dey give am headache like this the way Regina Daniel dey give am. He say yes, na true. Say he marry Regina Daniel, yes, because say he really be wan get that fame. He want make people know am. And we all know say Nedwoko say na politicians. He talk say many things when be say he don't experience for Regina Daniel hand since when he married Regina Daniel. He talk say first when he just married Regina Daniel, now he fell lose this political something when he dey do when he be say he be na senator to PDP that time. He can't lose and immediately just marry Regina Daniel. He can't first lose that one. Apart from that one, he say no be one upon one when they see different wahala up and down since when he married Regina Daniel. He said the last one now when it come dey happen now when they come dey talk say they won't let go in and the family they come dey find am up and down. It come be like now torchlight. Now they come to dey find am now say anywhere when they go now, he dey take hand dey cover head. Say that kind mind when he get before when be say in dey waka freely, e no dey again. Say all of them are Regina Daniel hand if for come sake of say now Regina Daniel himself now even carry the news come give am, tell am say people want come let go in and all his family. Meanwhile, this Nedwoko still dey talk say the other of his wives they no dey give am this kind of wahala. He say when he wan marry Regina Daniel, all those one first dey tell am say this girl when you wan marry so e be like say the kind record when this girl go carry come this family no be something wey be say we go fit solve o. Say if you no marry this girl, e be like say Nedwoko now sef he don dey regret say if he know say na so the whole things go come be, because come be like say everything don turn on top of his head. He for no put hand. He say he be marry Regina Daniel because say he know say Regina Daniel say na tear rubber. According to him mama, he say na so him mama talk. He say because that thing that they call juju when be say then they serve for their place, they really believe in that when it be say if they want marry woman, the woman must be tear rubber. When I don't say Nedwoko, if they take a wife, they do some kind juju. If he be say he won't put them for house as a wife, if they take them, they do some kind juju. And that juju when they take that thing they do, that person when be say he won't marry as a wife, he must be correct tear rubber. He say now that one the confidence when he get for Regina Daniel, I make her fast he just take her enter house like that as him mama tell am say na tear rubber. Whereas he no know say when Regina Daniel self they do that juju, when they tell am say make e look, make them look whether a person be say he don't tangle with any man or even get anything for mind like that to tangle with any man, Regina Daniel self come be like person wey be say e dey laugh them because for her mind she know say she don't tangle other people when be say there be woman like am but they no be man. Maybe na the thing when she carry for mind be that. So my correct people, why the whole matter come dey come out? This tango of a thing when be say dem say Regina Daniel say na both man and woman na dey tango. Dem say e don tey when the news dey for ground. Say no be new thing. In short, that her friend that they call Cassie when come be say Regina Daniel come tell am say make e pack a load come for their house. Many people come they think say maybe na Nedwoko na Cassie they cut eye for na make Regina Daniel tell am say make it come out. Whereas now another thing na it happen, na it make am she talk say make it comot, and nobody really know the things when it happen. E come be like say the matter go down. And this Cassie then talk say she no dey even dey shame, she no dey hide and say in a person wey dey tangle both man and woman. As e dey tangle Regina, as dem talk that time when e dey tangle man too. That one don say make e no tangle man. As e dey tangle woman, and so e dey tangle man. But that period when they talk say with Regina Daniel be like 5 and 6, they talk say in dey tangle that Regina Daniel, and e no dey shame, e no dey hide am. Now Regina Daniel na be like the person wey be say e dey code the thing. So many people come dey assume say e be like say all these things are just rumor. But when me come still go more research, I come still see some things when Regina Daniel use im mouth talk. When one journalist, when they call her Dami Kokos, come go interview am, the time when be say im pursue that a friend, when they call Cassie, that a best friend, the time when be say he pursue am comot for Neduwoko mansion. So now that one come go ask am, he come ask am say wetin make you pursue this your friend, and be so now be like 5 and 6, and wetin make you really tell am say make e comot for your house. Regina Abina, because say e dey cut eye for Neduwoko, because that one at the news when everybody dey talk say that Cassie e be dey cut eye for Neduwoko, and e dey wear some kind things when e no suppose wear for house. The thing when Regina Daniel wear for house for her husband, na that same thing na she dey wear. So Abina, that one I make you come drive and make it comot. Regina Daniel, according to the news, when me I do the research, I will still read some things for now, still put some screenshot of wetin I see when he back up this thing when I dey talk. Regina Daniel come talk say he no really be one answer that journalist when he come ask am all those questions, but he go answer some, because na her private life she no get, say she no get wetin, if she no wan talk am, she no go talk am, but make she just answer this one. So the thing when people they talk about that her friend, that is now Regina Daniel come dey talk this one, say the thing when people they talk about that her friend, say all of them are lies, say all of them are just people just they assume her, because that her friend, he trust am well when they call Cassie, he no go fit do that kind thing when people they think say na him do. People they think say that because of Ned na him make him pursue and make it comot. She come talk say no be her hand e dey. My correct people, make I read wetin Regina Daniel take answer that journalist. My people, when e come make me come dey think say e be like say this thing na true. So, because when me I first hear the news say Regina Daniel dey tangle both man and woman, I come talk say maybe all these things are just the normal rumor and all those things when they go on before. But wetin I wan read now, the thing come give me that impression say e be like say Regina Daniel dey aware of this thing when they talk, when they fly up and down for social media. And when I don't see show now, I don't still read them for now, self go still think about herself, now go still calculate and wetin I think for inside them. This one are waiting. She answered the journalist. When the journalist asked and say, he come talk say now because say your friend they call Cassie, now he dey cut eye for your husband, he won't collect am for your hand. Now that one make you pursue her. She come talk say no, she never did that. The case is different, nothing to do with my husband or anything. She is not that kind of person. You know, when there is a group of friends and one betray the girl's code, my people, now they hear that place. He say, you know, when there is a group of friends and one betrays the girl's code, things are bound to happen. It was not just me that sent her away, but all the family that felt betrayed. Now don't listen to that place. You see, and when they talk say because he betrayed their code, which code? He betrayed the girl's code. So my people, when I see that place, I can't talk say he betrayed girl's code, and not be she when be Regina Daniel, not be her power, not be she take send her comot for a house. He say now all the family when he betray, that is all the girls group. That means say in they tell people, he respond to that interview, I be that question when that journalist ask him indirectly, she dey talk say now that person when they tangle both man and woman na him be. But many people no quick understand that time. But now when this Cassie now come dey display now there many people come dey think say that means say this thing when Regina Daniel they talk that time when they talk say Cassie betray the girl's code. That means that this one are waiting in mean. So my correct people, not be that one be the issue now. Not say some people now when they go they hear now they talk say, live and in life, everybody get right to be waiting won't be. Yes, now in life, everybody get right to be waiting won't be. Nobody they ask Regina whether it a tango man, it a tango woman. But the thing when I they talk for here now be saying, Neduwoko don't talk say the things when in the experiences when be say in marry Regina Daniel, be like say the things don't they too much. Even sometimes self we don't they hear now say don't they get some kind up and down with the Regina Daniel mama. Now that one make her we know they see her for there again. Una know say Regina Daniel mama no dey finish for Neduwoko house before. The way we take they go there self, the way we take they see am for there, it can't be like say self, it can't be like say now two of them self, the Regina Daniel mama and Regina, now they married that time. But now we know they see them like that again. Even the time when we say the mama Regina Daniel celebrate that he birthday, now know that birthday when he became buy Jeep, the Regina Daniel buy Jeep for him. We don't even see the brake light of Neduwoko, and we don't even see where he writes anything to even wish the woman happy birthday. So the thing we dey hear now be say things not be as it be before, because as Neduwoko they discover more things about Regina Daniel, he can't dey feel say mama Regina play and 419, because before Neduwoko collect Regina Daniel as his wife to be a wife, he pay mama Regina Daniel in kindness in one way or the other. Now see, and he buy house for her, nothing when he not do for her, just because of this his daughter when he give her they call Regina Daniel, and the things when he tell her, when he take when he can't take give her assurance, but he can't be like say not the thing when she talk, not be so the whole things can't be now. He still talk say the Neduwoko see they talk say the thing we dey hear for all the news be say yes, he really marry Regina Daniel because he wants make people they hear about him because of fame, just because of this political things when he do. But not be this kind of when it can be say now only the baba thing about him. Now people can't they talk. Nobody they really talk good thing about him again. Even some people self no one involved with him again. People like him mates, because some of them now that they look like say he get bad mind. He say even this land matter when it come be say now they come they drag up and down for now. When they come they talk say they want come let go in and the family. He said this land matter don't dey for ground even before Regina Daniel come. Why it come be say now when Regina Daniel come now it come be like say the whole matter everything don't they turn against him. He say even still get eye apart from this land that they drag for when Neduwoko they follow people they drag for their village. He still get eye for this chieftaincy a big king title when he be saying with other people see they drag join. All of them everything don't backfire, everything don't turn around. No one they work for him again. So if you now see the rest of his wives, apart from say now 4, now we know out of that 4 when we know now only 2 they bring themselves come out well, which is Regina Daniel and Delilah. The other Moroccan woman again, and the other one when we know when we say they UK when he still be barrister like the Ned, they know they bring themselves come out, but we know them. But the other 2 just hide themselves. We don't even just know anything about them at all, and they don't want make anybody know just because of Regina Daniel, because they say the time when Regina Daniel ever come that they eat their money quietly. Nobody they hear about them and nobody they talk bad about them. He said, but since when Regina Daniel come, anything we don't concern Woko na so negative things now they come they join them. My correct people. So it be like saying Neduwoko self don't they tire for the whole matter. So when Neduwoko come out, when he make one video inside last week when he come they go viral, he come they cry, they beg the whole Nigerians, may they come help him, say people they after and the family, may they come do this one, blah 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 blah. That same time when the Neduwoko say they make that video, he get another video when I see immediately, it be like a day after, I be 2 days after, if I'm not mistaken, I go drop the video for here. When Regina Daniel and the other Moroccan wife, when they call Lila, they dance, they shake their tail for one party. I don't know whether or their friend party. They happy, they do some kind things, whether or Valentine, happiness, a big celebration. Meanwhile, Neduwoko no dey with them. Now only 2 of them and the friend when they say they go do party, they happy for there. So the way I taste Regina Daniel for there, everything different from the way I taste Siam for the Laila birthday. This is not less than 1 week when be say Laila celebrate his birthday. Regina Daniel come be like person when be say now another person for there. Can't even they dance one corner dance. But when he can't date this party now when be say be Laila friend now that time we can't see and say now different person. Now go see the way she they dance for there, they shake her tail. He can't be like person when be say he wake up then don't throw away water for a body. Probably na Nedwoko don't settle two of them by force. Maybe don't give Regina Daniel condition, or you settle with her, or you go waka. So it come like say Regina Daniel dey free for there small. But what he come they wonder me for inside my correct people be say, why Nedwoko they cried up and down, they tell everybody say I bet may they help her, may they come protect her, make Olokpa come protect the house, do everything. And Regina Daniel when be saying I carry the news come say they won't collect their that is they won't let go the family of Nedwoko. If they dance they happy like this, all these things I can't think and say be all these things are just arranged. They just they arrange them to just make people, that is make their fame, that is make that they reign, make that they trend. I don't understand, because now you carry news come talk say they won't let go Nedwoko and all his family, and you when carry the news come now you there for party, they celebrate, they jubilate. Why Nedwoko they won't corner there, they cry, they beg people say me they can't help them. So my correct people, I don't know where the whole matter based. Now the one way I tell no, the one way I know, so now I just still drop for now. So meanwhile, what it make all this matter come be say Nedwoko be like say he don't they fed up, he don't they tire for Regina Daniel matter, in the sense that some kind negative things when be say if full inside the marriage and the polygamy and all things or all stuff of a thing, they know they post them. Now the one when they won't post, neither they post, and now we they talk. The one when they not post, we don't know. Anyone who they talk, now the one when they post, this will not be say person, not they mind business, and then they post. If you don't want make people talk about you, know they put your personal life for public. If you put them for public, anybody get right to shook mouth put to talk am how he like and put their opinion. So now so I see the whole matter. So I don't know how now say I make una self just see the whole matter, the whole una take see. And so when I take talk and make una self just drop una opinion for the comment section. How una see I make una drop una comment below at the comment section, whether all the things when una just listening to, so what you una think for inside, make una just still live una own mind, how una think and make una just still reason and drop am for the comment section, my correct people. So if updates still dey this matter, I will still let una know. I beg, if you be say today now your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell, so that anytime when I get ogbonge gist like this, you know go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, my returning subscriber and my viewer all over the world, any place una for dey watch me, God will bless una. I dey appreciate una so much for una cooperation and the one that they support me. God will bless una. Anyway, when be say una self still want support, now so God self go still send somebody when go still support una. So my correct people, I go leave una for you. I will hang the story and the matter for here today. I go see you now very soon for my next video when I go to take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.